We're all looking for kind of a hero. I didn't have a strong sense of identity, and I would overcompensate my insecurities by finding ways to be accepted. I kind of just went with the flow and didn't have an understanding of who I was or what I was about. It got me in a lot of trouble, and it left me really empty.
I wish I never held back, wish nobody had to sell crack. Then I may have seen my dad a little more, maybe I could dream a little more. But I still wishing those stars in the sky, wish a lot of people was alive. And I probably passed on a whole lot of truth, but I know about a whole lot of lies. Man, I wish I had me.
You know, money wasn't a good hero. Power, pleasure, possessions, none of them could really give me the satisfaction I was looking for. I just got tired. I got tired of chasing after things that would not satisfy me. And I just learned that there were no good heroes on this planet.
Anybody out there made some mistakes and not afraid to admit it? If that shit, put your hands in the sky like this. Get 'em up, get 'em up, get 'em up, say. Get 'em up, say. Get 'em up, say. Tell me for the night.
The only place I could turn after that was to God to see if maybe this whole God thing was real.